Well, this right here is your new home.
Is it gonna?
This is your house.
My house?
Yes.
Hey, my prince. Why they do like this now? Why they do me like this?
Because you deserve the best, that's why. Ijele.
Prince, it go better for you. Nothing bad will ever happen to you for this world.
Oh, thank you.
You look me finish. You can't get me this kind of fine house. God bless you.
Come on now. Don't get all emotional. It's fine. Come on. It's okay.
This is very fine, thank you.
I'm glad you like it. And one more thing. I got you a brand new car. This is the key to it.
Ah, this is too much now. This is too much. I don't even sabi drive.
Nothing is too much for you. As for driving, that will be taken care of. And that's why we have Pat here. She will teach you all that you know and even more. Okay, all you need to do is just follow her instructions and you'll be fine. Come on now. Go ahead. This is for you.
Bless you, my auntie
Bless you
Patty.
too.
My friend, why you do me like this now? Why you do me like this? My friend is too much.
Pat, I trust you to do your best.
I will try my best, sir.
As always.
Hey! Your father made a clear road. Made a just clear road. So that my house be this.
Absolutely.
Hey! My friend. Now my house be this. Join. I miss you too much.
It's fine.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
God bless you.
Can I at least sit down in your house?
No, I'm seated.
I think that part will show you around.
My kids.
Yes.
I still get where I go do my fish for here.